Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. The reason I made this video because these days people are trying to play Arkham Asylum again. From the recent sale happened in the I think it's New Year time, and I also bought the trilogy of Batman Arkham Asylum, City and Night. So I'll be helping. I'll just make it a brief. So what's going to happen is I was also trying to play this game. If you can see now, it's working after 2 days. I've been trying really hard, and I also try to uninstall the game. Let's see if I try to reinstalling the game, it might work. So right now my game is absolutely working fine. So people have shared so many solutions regarding this, but I'll cut to the chase quickly. I'll just cover the main part, which is the reason why I'm making this video. So if you have done all the solutions or all the fixes, first of all, let me show some fixes that that might work for some of the people, like not everyone, right? So people who still stuck and they have tried every solution, every fixes, and but still they are not able to do that. So I have one fix which worked for me, right? So I was randomly doing this and that thing. So I was just I just clicked on this OneDrive personal drive, sync drive, syncing, right? So you just need to do one thing. If your OneDrive syncing is disabled, you only need to make it enable again, right? For example, this is paused now, and I click on, and it's signing in, right? And it'll be, yeah, it's working now. So if it's paused, you just need to enable it again. Okay, so this was the fix for me. Just listen to me again, listen to my words again. This was the fix for me, and the fix which I have been tried a lot, so many times, didn't work. So one of them was this. People trying to say this may be fix for some people, but not for me. I've been trying since 2 days. Just now it started working. My game is running now, absolutely fine, smooth. So if this is not working for you, please don't mind my voice. So if it's not working for you, .NET Framework enabling this, so you may try this OneDrive syncing, turn it on. And for example, the registry one as well, people trying to do just click on hot local machine, click on software, then Microsoft, then .NET Framework. If you see a file with the name of debugger, delete it, and after that you just need to go to Windows NT. There it is. Yeah, here. Click on Windows NT, click on current version. You need to expand the current version as well, and if you just need to do, okay, yeah, look for this file with the name of AE-debug. If you see any file name with the name of debugger, right, do not delete this file, user debugger hotkey, only the name with the debugger, just delete it, right? I've tried it, but the point is the debugger file was not in this in registry editor for me in my PC. So it was useless for me. And few people also tried to give the resolution about just go to Steam, right click on the game, browse local files, go to binaries and install this Directx setup. Even this was also a failure for me. And few more options which was which worked for other people but not for me. They also tried to install this physx version and this Directx. All was failure for me, nothing worked. So the only thing worked for me is this OneDrive. You need to turn on the syncing. If your OneDrive syncing is off, just turn it on, and then you'll be good to go. Your game will work. You'll be able to play Arkham Asylum or Arkham City. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.